And I'm Matt.
And we're students from Food and Restaurant. Today we'll take you through each step on how to properly make a cake and explain what to do and how each
first,
step
we'll
in the
show you how to
process.
properly prepare a pan. You need some flour, some butter, a pan, a piece of parchment, and a pencil.
So next you need to cut out the parchment. To do that, just lay it on top, take a pencil, and trace around. Okay, so once it's traced, take the pan off and then cut it out. Okay, so next we grease the pan. Take a little knob of butter and wrap it in a paper towel, and then just rub it along the bottom until it's all the way coated. So once it's all coated in butter, just add about a tablespoon or so of flour and shake the pan so that the flour evenly is distributed and sticks to the butter.
And afterwards, you take the parchment paper and you place it in the pan. Set like so. This will allow for the cake to be a smooth bottom. And it'll be an alternative way to prep the pan is to use cooking spray. Just a light coat will do. Now we're going to evenly mix the batter. We're going to follow the instructions given. We're going to add all the ingredients into the bowl. What we have is 1 cup of water, 3 eggs, ½ cup of vegetable oil, and the cake batter itself.
Okay, like that makes it any better. Ethan, you're not sitting there. I'm sitting there. I have actual work to do.
Once all the ingredients are added, we shall begin the
This
process.
is the consistency. You want it pretty smooth, but don't overmix. Okay, so next, put it into the pan that we already prepared. Just scrape it out with a rubber scraper. So next, once it's all poured in, just smooth it out into an even layer, and that'll make for even baking. So this is what it should look like. Bake it on the counter a couple times to get air bubbles out.
We'll show you how to properly set up the oven for baking. When you place the cake in the oven, you want to use the middle rack because that's where the cake will bake more evenly. Bake the cake for the shortest amount of time as instructed on the box because you could always cook it for longer. Place the cake in the middle rack. Make sure not to touch the sides or else the cake will bake unevenly. And do the step quickly or else you'll lose a lot of heat.
Finally, we'll show you how to test the cake for doneness. You'll need a toothpick and your baked cake.
To test the cake for doneness, take it out of the oven. Use a toothpick to test. You insert it in the cake, and when you pull it out, if it's clean, it's done. From this video, you can now prepare a basic but professional looking cake.